Thank you all for tuning back into my channel, and if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, you guys, so today we have like a maintenance vlog. I've never done one of these, but my birthday is coming up. It's actually this Saturday, so yeah, I'm about to go and like basically pamper myself. I think it's like 9:15 right now in the morning, so I'm about to go to the gym and get a workout in. I did take off of work for the most part. I just gotta come in later this evening, so I'm about to go to the gym, get a workout in. Then I'm probably gonna go get my nails and my toes done. So yeah, I only get my nails done like once a year for my birthday. And then we gotta get these eyebrows threaded. And then I'm gonna go and get a facial. And then probably do my hair tonight. I have a wig that I made with my hair that I'm soon gonna be selling. And the wig looks so cute, you guys. Let me show it to you. Hey guys, so this is her. This is what she's looking like with the closure. So I do need to pluck the hairline of that wig just a little bit more around the edges and stuff before I actually put it on. I did make that wig. I make my own wigs, you guys. Use my own bundles and closure. So we're about to go ahead and head to the gym. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's go. Hey, hey. So I forgot to record the rest of my workout. I did run a mile first, and then I did my jump ropes as y'all saw, and then I did some core work, and now I'm sitting in this sauna. Right now I'm almost finished with my sauna session, y'all. I'm drenched. I was drenched in sweat before I even came up in here. But yeah, I'm about to leave the sauna and head home and get a shower. It is 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. I just finished showering and getting dressed. I'm about to get me something to eat real quick. I'm about to try some food from this place called Mana's Groceries. I've always been wanting to get some food from them. Just have not gotten around to it. So I'm about to go in here and eat. My brow appointment is at 1 o'clock. So yeah, literally have an hour to get some food. So we about to eat, see what they got up in here. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so my food just came. I got the shrimp cakes and grits and a fruit cup. Let me show y'all what it looks like. All right, y'all, so we're about to taste this and see how it tastes. I'm gonna put some of the sauce on it. Actually pretty good. All right, I'm about to grub and then we're gonna go to my eyebrow appointment. All right guys, so these are what my eyebrows are looking right now. So let's go get them done and I'm gonna show you what they look like after. All right guys, so we are back with the eyebrows, and Hunty, my brow lady, she get me right every single time. Every time, never fails. These look good. Okay, all right, you guys. So I am here for my facial now. I arrived to my appointment on time, so we about to go ahead and walk in so I can get my facial. I'm so excited. Alright, you guys, so this is what my skin is looking like after my facial. It looks pretty plump and glowy. Oh, y'all, I fell asleep up in there. Like, I was knocked out. But okay, so now we're about to go get my nails done. So let's head there. All right, you guys, so I just finished leaving the nail shop, and this is how my nails are looking like. Like, I absolutely love them. They turned out exactly how I wanted. And then this is how my feet turned out. So like, yeah, it's just like nude with a little design. I love it. It's so simple but cute. Like, I really, really love it. This is the first time somebody has ever gotten like my nails right for my birthday. Dang, I can't even get into this car. Okay, yeah. Like, whenever I go and get my nails done for my birthday, they never look exactly like the picture that I show them. And today, they look like the picture. Period. So, yeah, I'm happy with them. Very happy.